Friends, today is the day. Don't wait any longer. What are you struggling with today? Do you have a health problem or concern? Are you struggling with anxiety or depression? Or are you struggling with anger towards someone? Do you have a relationship that is fractured right now? Do you have an area of your life that you need to work on? Do you need to get right with God? Don't wait any longer. Today is the day. Take the steps today. I know you know what to do. I know you do, because we all kind of know what we're supposed to be doing, but we wait. I met this lady at the gym today. She was struggling. We were next to each other on the treadmill, and I really just wanted to put my earbuds in, but I feel like the Lord's saying, talk to this gal. And so I did, asked her how she was, and she told me that she was just really struggling with all these health problems, but she had planned gastric bypass next month, so that will fix it, she said. I asked her if she wanted to do that, and she said, well, it's the only thing that will get all this weight off. She was over 330 pounds. You know, she was waiting. She had years and years and years of procrastination, and now she's dependent on a surgery to save her. Don't wait until you have the doctors to tell you what to do, or you're stuck on prescriptions for life. Take the steps you need to take today, starting today. You know, we all have stuff to work on. I do too, and I'm starting today on a new project that I have to work on with myself. It takes work, it takes determination, it takes consistency, but one step is the most important one, the first step, and then just do one more step every day, and you won't have to find yourself so far down a road that it's difficult to get back. So I encourage you today, take the steps you need to. Don't wait any longer. So what are you going to do today? Are you going to ditch the caffeine? Are you going to throw away all of the junk food? Are you going to declutter your house? Are you going to dust off your juicer and start juicing? Are you going to go to the gym or go on a walk? Are you going to write that letter or call that friend? What are you going to do today? I would love to hear. Put in the comments below if you're willing to share. And whatever it is that you want to do today, the most important of all is to just keep right with God. If you're not right with God, get right with God. He made it so easy for us. He sent his son to die on the cross for our sins. He rose again, and he ascended into heaven, where he's seated at the right hand of God, making intercession for you, wanting to welcome you into his family. So Hebrews, the book of Hebrews says, today, if you hear his voice, don't harden your hearts, because today is the day of salvation. Today is the day of change. Today is the day that you begin your success. So go do what you're supposed to do and have a great time doing it. Till next time.